Oh my goodness, I just fell in love with this cookie recipe that was sent in to me. Just reading the title, the name of this cookie is sunflower seed cookies. I don't think I've ever made a cookie using sunflowers, so I'm so excited about that. And would you do me a favor, Teresa?
Would you like me to add the
Would
two
you?
tablespoons?
Yeah, 2 tablespoons of hot water out of the water machine.
You
Thank you. Yes, I sure will.
as we go.
Because we're going to be using baking soda, and the directions say to mix 2 tablespoons of water with the baking soda, and then just set it aside until you're ready for it. But anyway, let's get on to the good stuff. This was sent in by Shirley Daly, and she lives in, I think this name makes me laugh, Chilliwack. Have you ever heard of that, Eddie?
No.
Chilliwack, BC, Canada. She's from Canada. And she said, attached is my favorite cookie recipe. I have won some blue ribbons at the fair with this. Love your shows and all your delicious recipes. Well, thank you so much, Shirley, for sharing with us your all-time favorite cookie. We thank you so much because you're sharing it. There's going to be a lot of people that get to enjoy your favorite cookie. So thank you for sharing. All right. I hope this recipe has enough butter, y'all. It's 4 sticks of butter. You know it's good. You know it is good. Okay, come on. I don't think I'm not going to get every bit of it, too. I want everything that's Otis. So we're going to cream our butter. And I'm going to just cream this just for a second. Look at that nice, beautiful, soft butter. All right, now I'm going to cream my butter with our white sugar, our brown sugar, our salt, and our vanilla. This is a great start for a cookie. You know, I've got one recipe that, thank you. I got one recipe that that calls for a whole pound of butter, and that's Maggie's Decadent Brownies. A school teacher and friend of ours who was like maybe 3 years older than us girls in our senior year. Let me make sure. Yes, just 1 teaspoon. Thank you. That's a lot of stuff. Now I feel better. But that recipe is unbelievable. Maggie's Decadent Brownies. And Maggie just passed away from Alzheimer's.
I make those all the time.
Do you? Well, they're delicious.
The taste of things.
Yes. All right, cream, margarine, sugar, salt, vanilla, eggs, and baking soda mixture. So Teresa put the hot water. She mixed it with our baking soda. Like it didn't all want to dissolve. Some left in the cracks down there. I remember when my daddy would have indigestion. He would take baking soda at night. Okie dokie. I think we're all right now. I think we got a handle on this cookie. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients which would be our flour, our oat bran, and I've never used this product, y'all. Oat bran. Have you ever used it,
I have not.
Teresa? Have you, Eddie?
No.
I don't know what the difference is. So that would be our 2 oatmeals. And I'm not even asking Darlene because I know she, no, she ain't. No, I didn't ask you. Sometimes Darlene has a hard time finding her way to the kitchen. Okay, our oat bran is going in. Our oatmeal is going in. You know what? I think it would be all right to use the mixer on this mixture. Usually when I make oatmeal cookies, I think I just stir that in, but this is a thick cookie batter. And we ain't done yet. Oh my goodness. It's my grandbaby here. Davis! Davis! Oh, I got to stop, y'all. I got to stop. Just 1 second. Y'all follow me. You can see the cutest little fella in the whole wide world. Where are you? Are you hiding behind the door? Are you hiding from your guinea? Where is he? Where's Davis? Davis? Come out, wherever you are. I thought he was there. He's not there.
Oh, she don't know.
He always goes straight to the candy dishes. Why were you hiding from me? Why were you hiding from me? I got you something. I got you a present. So you better come see me.
Better go see her. Okay. Say hey, Jenny.
Mommy'll hug me.
Hey.
Will Davis hug me?
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy's so sweet. I love you. You are so stinking cute. And your grandma Guinea loves you. All right, I'm making cookies, Davis. I'm making our Christmas cookies. And they're sunflower seed cookies. Now, I've gotten everything in it, our oat bran, our oatmeal, and now I'm just stirring in the dry ingredients. So look at those sunflower seeds. Don't they look wonderful? Yes. I love a nutty seed. Ooh, I need a big, strong man to stir all this up for me. Do you like raisins? Me too. So that's what's going in next. I bet you don't like this. Chocolate chips. You like chocolate chips? I know you do. I know that you do, baby. Miss Shirley said to drop these by the teaspoonful.
You are.
And you know what?
This is going to make a million cookies.
Like 1 truckload of cookies. Okay, I'm going to get these in the oven pretty quick. Like, let's see, she said put them in a 350-degree oven and cook them up for about 10 to 12 minutes. But
transport this guy into a car.
yeah,
A transformer.
a transformer. You and Linton love those, don't you? Okay, Teresa's going to keep dipping them up for me. Now, I cooked 1 batch to just see what a teaspoon makes. And that's just a nice size little cookie. So, look at that bowl. Still got a lot of cookie dough in it.
Yeah, especially if you're doing a cookie swap. This makes a good
Yes. And we're even talking about maybe putting that dough into the freezer and maybe baking them off like Christmas Eve, you know, and serve warm cookies to everybody. Okay, so that size cookie in my oven. I cooked it for 8 minutes. And they look perfect. Brooke, let me know how you like that one with the seeds in it.
Okay.
You know, I don't really like warm cookies. I like my cookies cold.
Mm-hmm.
That's
It
good.
has sunflower seeds. That's good.
Shirley, I can see why you won blue ribbons with this cookie recipe. This is a sunflower seed cookie, and it's so good. And Shirley Daly from Chilliwack, Chilliwack, Canada, sent this to us. And so I thank you, girl, for sharing it with us. It's delicious. So love and best dishes and happy holidays to you. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.